The Pyramid 3700 heavy-duty time clock and document stamp has everything you need to track employee time, job costs, or stamp documents, including 25 time cards, 1 ribbon, and 2 security keys. Record up to 4 punches per day for each employee, or stamp the date and year on important paperwork. Choose from 14 preset message options. The side-loading time card and document feed accommodates left or right-hand printing orientation and features an alignment guide for simple operation. Industrial-grade steel casing withstands wear and tear in harsh work environments. The Pyramid 3700 manages an unlimited number of employees and automatically resets for daylight savings time and power outages. The tamper-proof security lock protects settings. Choose desktop or wall mount installation. Read our reviews. Versatile time clock. Withstands the heavy-duty use and dust in our production plant. A great value for the price. Stop wasting time and start tracking employee time, job costs, and stamping documents.